Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add an equation shape in Google Docs. Open your Docs file, now select Insert option. Here you will find this drawing option and select New option as drawing pad. Now select Shape option. Here you will find this equation option. Now you can add your equation symbol here. Choose this one and says border white and border color. Also you can choose fill guys, choose white. I'll add another equation shape, this one. Choose red color. Now simply select save and close. Our equation shape already added here. Now you can increase decrease shape size. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.